that down. Remember that? It's like it's a fall to the floor. Do you remember me showing you that? When I was like,
You just do. It's like I looked away, you're all over there, and then I was really confused.
Okay. And then the
Like, hurtful and painful and makes me cry.
no, it's actually, come here. I want you to try it. It's so fun.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay.
I'm not going to that. Right. Are
we
filming? You're gonna witness my death. Ew. I didn't realize my hair is fixed.
Get down. Okay. So, just roll on your back. Can you not do a backward somersault? Nope. Just kind of like
do that.
You have to use.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
That was fun.
I know. But you just need to like keep your legs
Flexed.
as straight as possible.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
But I can't do this good.
You don't. You can.
Why is that so much fun?
I know, right? Yeah, you roll onto your shoulder.
Yeah, you don't roll back on your head. I think that's gonna work out. How do you do this flip?
Like that, but lower.
I heard a crack. I heard a crack and I said no.
I can. Good job.
It's fun in slow motion.
Ow. Wait. I want to learn how to like get up after I do that. Do that. Do you remember that jump I taught you?
That what?
That jump I've been working on. This one.
Yeah.
With like the legs.
Yeah.
Can I see you do it?
No. I don't want to do it. I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna go and tell me if my leg is coming up properly. Just, yeah. Okay.
It's not my mom's stuff. Yeah. That's actually a lot better. Okay. Your leg is really flexed.
Damn, you do have a million of those.
Of what?
Why can't you do one dance?
Why would I want to be?
Sorry. Control. Go.
Like, slow motion.
I wonder if I can do that weird ass like. I don't even know how to do it.
What?
That.
The jump kick?
Yeah.
You're like.
Kylie did